Hello and welcome to my channel. Have you been wondering how a song is being produced? Come along with me as I walk you through the production process of a song from the pre-production stage down to the post-production stage. My name is Olubenga and welcome to my masterclass.
Security breach.
From sound design.
Don't wait up for me.
You know what? I'll call you back.
To fully.
We don't have a lot of time.
Film score.
I want to slap you always from today to Sunday.
Oh, dibhalwe sidenge apha kuwe.
Music production. Mixing and mastering. It's sound. It's Olubenga.
Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, like, share, and if there is any topic you would like us to go through, drop the comment down below. Thank you. Peace.